I told her what you said about the Cape Town Muslims, the most militant Muslims in Africa, the Malays of Cape Town, the strongest. If you want to really see a Muslim community that is strong, that is the Malays of Cape Town. Those your forefathers who were brought down as prisoners, political prisoners, to the Cape of Good Hope by the British, they became the strongest Muslims. It is always his dream. In his lectures in Malaysia, he told them, my brothers, I want you all to come and visit the Malays of Cape Town. He always said that. That's why he's so honored by your visit today.
Syekh Ahmad Deedat menyanjungi semangat dan kesungguhan orang Melayu Cape Town